this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Moza Mini S Bluetooth. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can easily set up and use this Moza Mini S device through Bluetooth. So of course, first attach your phone to the device. I'm going to assume that most people already know how to use this device and they properly follow the instructions to attach it. Sadly, it is a lot to go over, so I cannot cover it all in this video. So just check the menu. Once that is done, to actually set it up, first enable Bluetooth on your phone. So while it is powered on and on the Moza device, enable Bluetooth and open the Moza Genie app. You will need this application to properly set up your Moza device. Once you download and open Moza Genie, you can go at the bottom left corner of the screen, tap on this little Bluetooth icon, and you should be able to find the Moza Mini S. If it doesn't appear on this list, restart all devices connected, and after a while, it is going to be listed here if your phone is properly clipped onto the Moza Mini S and it is working properly. Once you select it from the list and you tap this icon again, you will now see settings about the gimbal. So you can change the zoom speed, you can calibrate, disconnect, see the firmware version, and plenty of other options. But to keep it simple, all that you need to connect it over Bluetooth is to have Bluetooth enabled and have the Moza Genie app. Once you open the Moza Genie app, it is going to be listed under the Bluetooth devices if you tap on this icon. And if it is still failing to appear after restarting both devices, there aren't too many troubleshooting steps that you can do. Check to see if you have the latest version of the app, try reattaching them all together, and try putting them in even more close proximity. It should appear automatically. And as long as you calibrate it properly, it will be usable. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing because as you can see according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.